Hello friends, if you clicked on this video after looking at thumbnail, let me tell you have clicked on the absolute right video. In today's video, I am going to tell you the real truth behind this viral story. It's a really still 90 breadsticks, root wonder of real or fake. So recently this post has been going crazy viral all over social media. It claims that an 82-year-old woman named Ruth Vanderhoff got banned from 41 Olive Garden locations because she smuggled an industrial quantity of 90 breadsticks into her rolling suitcase. It sounds hilarious and wild, right? But is this story actually real? The short answer is no, it is 100% fake. Here is the real story behind it. First of all, this post was uploaded by a page called the Dude Humor Report. If you check their profile, they are a well-known comedy and satire page. They literally make up these funny fictional stories just for entertainment. Secondly, let's talk about the woman in the photo. Her name is not Ruth Vanderhoff and she has nothing to do with Olive Garden. This image actually shows a woman named Sandra Leand. The photo is from a real courtroom in Michigan back in 2013 where she was on trial for a serious crime. Satire pages often take these serious courtroom photos and mix them with the fake funny stories just to get clicks and go viral. And that's all I wanted to share in today's video. What do you think about this viral meme? Let me know in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I keep bringing this kind of interesting videos for you. Thank you.